another little video I'm posting is for dinner. And hot dogs over here. And then
Cheese dogs.
Yeah, cheese ones because we like cheese. And then we have peanut butter that I just melted. This is for Mom. Cranberries. And then we use like 5 of these size apples. And that's apples. And then we got
Macintosh in there.
Yeah. And then these are some light vanilla yogurts. And I was just gonna make a little thing. We got a cute little spatula.
Making a little apple salad. And I didn't have any lemon juice to stick on my apples. So I did a Weiler's lemonade packet. And it seems to have worked quite well.
Yeah.
So we're using 2 cups of yogurt. We just got the Great Value light vanilla stuff. That's what we're using so far. I think 2 cups is probably going to do it.
Probably. As I struggle to get it out of the container with the spatula.
Well, I probably got you the biggest spatula there was. So.
Yeah, I think this one's bigger
I like
than
that
our pink
one.
I like the white one with the gray handle more. There we go. Got it on my finger. And then we're going to mix it up. Yeah, that's perfect.
And we're doing this relatively plain for Emma. Because Emma just likes fruit and yogurt pretty much.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's plenty. We could probably throw another apple in there. We just peeled them, cored them, chopped them up.
And then I just warmed up peanut butter in the microwave. This one's really good. I don't know why, but it's really good. And then a little drizzle. It kind of firmed back up.
What kind is that on peanut butter?
It is Smooth Creamy by Bee Nutty Buddies. Yeah. And I don't really love peanut butter, and I would eat this one out the jar. It's really good.
So, you know, I love peanut butter.
How much drizzle you want?
I don't know. That's probably good. So there is our apple salad to go with our hot dogs.
Mm-hmm.
And I forgot to get plates.
Yeah.
You need plates. Because you're going to plate one up aesthetically like you like to do.
Okay.
See, isn't that good? And then I'm going to put some cranberries on mine. Some dried cranberries that I got from the food pantry. The apples I got from the food pantry. The peanut butter I got from the food pantry. I bought the yogurts because we love yogurt. And I bought the hot dogs. Because we like the cheese hot dogs too. But that looks so good. And it's only her and I eating dinner tonight. No Greg or anything. So we can have what we want. That's her favorite
My favorite
spoon.
little scoopy thingy. It's from rice.
Yeah,
it's from the rice cooker.
It's from the rice cooker by Cuisinart. She loves it.
Yeah, but I like it a lot.
Ooh, don't that look yummy? Yeah, we can have whatever we want tonight. And we can just do this simple supper. This is what we're doing.
The doggies. Doggy 1. Doggy 2. Doggy 3. Should have counted that in French.
Probably should have.
And then my favoriteest thing.
Ketchup. She will like devour ketchup.
Yeah. There's a little plate.
Did you get a fork so you can try it?
Yeah. I take it apple.
Mommy's short.
Very good.
And see, that was just a real quick dinner.
Yeah.
It was done in like, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, very, very good. Oui, oui.
You see Emma's cute little haircut?
Mm-hmm. I had to get the lash extensions back on because I had them off for like 2 days, but then I felt like a little boy because I'm used to them now. So.
Mommy did the haircut. Woo!
Yeah, I only did a little bit of feathering on the sides.
Yeah, I didn't do too badly though.
Yeah, okay, that's it. Bye-bye. Have a super awesome, wonderful, fantastic day, as my mom says.
We'll see you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, share, and watch another video.